so excited. I'm going on another cruise this month and it's gonna be amazing. We're going to the Caribbean. I want to try getting a lash lift. Also, there's like a trend right now where girls are getting their nails decorated to look like seashells, and I thought that would be really fun. So I'm gonna see if I can squeeze that in too. I've got a lot of packing to do and a lot of shopping to do. So right now I'm heading to TJMaxx and I'm hopefully gonna find some new stuff for the cruise. Maybe a swimsuit, maybe a new dress to wear for the formal nights. We will see, but I'm very, very excited. There she is, coolest girl on the block. Here you go, gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
I think these are the ones.
Wait.
Oh, okay. I do like it. Our styles are so different. Dad mode. Okay, I've got 16 dresses here. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute.
Makes you look small.
Oh, thank you. Tree trunk aesthetic. No curves, giving nothing. Looks like Cinderella. Not a fan. Mission was a success. I'm with Emmeline right now and we're gonna go get our lashes done because she's getting married this Monday. So excited. Okay, so we're trying Lash Lifts. Her cousin has done them before with Amazon kits and she is kind enough to do ours for us today. They're supposed to last for like 4 to 6 weeks. Our cruise is in like 3 weeks, so hopefully they'll last until then. Here are my lashes before. She's driving, but there's her lashes before. And we'll come back for the after. No. Nap time. Here's the after. No mascara on, it's just from the lift. They look so pretty. All right, this is my Shein package. I ordered 7 swimsuits. I'm not expecting them all to fit, but I'm going to try them on. I feel like these circles are going to hurt after a while. This one feels like it would not stay on. I love the color. All right, it's time to officially start packing for this cruise. And I brought the big boy suitcase. I think this is the longest trip I've gone on since moving into the bus. So it's gonna be interesting to pack in the bus. We have 7 days on the boat, technically 8. So maybe I'll just pack 8 swimsuits. I know I for sure liked this one. 2. I really like this one, and I do want to bring a 1-piece. Okay, I think I'm also gonna pack my sun shirt. It looks like this. I've had this one for years and it's super comfortable. There's 2 formal nights. So let me go pick out 2 formal dresses. I forgot how much I adore this dress and I'm so excited to wear it on the boat. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with these gold heels. Here are my brand new Chacos. They're going to be perfect for the outdoorsy stuff we have planned. Okay, I think I'm gonna pack all of my casual dresses that I'm going to wear the other dinner nights also on this side. First off, I have the dresses I bought at TJMaxx. These colors look so pretty. Here's the other gown I decided to get from TJMaxx. Here's a strapless I got from my birthday. This one was a Christmas gift and it's got fun little tassels on it. Here's my last dress. Also got this for my birthday. Oh, it's so pretty. I've got this kind of tropical vibe skirt and I just think it's appropriate. Okay, I've got 1 pair of jean shorts, 2 pairs of jean shorts. Oh, go through my tops. This is a good comfy one to wear with jean shorts. And this one is just comfy and I love the crochet work in it. This one I will pack, but it's going to need to get de-wrinkled. perks of living in a bus. I love this in the middle. It's so handy for keeping socks and underwear. There we go. I think I'm also gonna pack this dress because I forgot about it and I like it. It's super, super cute. Right, one of the accessories I have is this gold scarf that you can wear around your shoulders, and I'm going to wear it to both of the formal nights. And then these sandals and my slip-ons are both neutral, so they'll go with all of the outfits I packed. And it might be time to pack jewelry. I don't like this shape at all. This looks awful on me.
But mine have a stupid tag going down the middle.
That's okay. New sunglasses. I am at my brother's coworker's house and she's gonna do my nails. Here's what they look like right now. I have been growing them out, so they're getting longer. But they definitely need to be touched up, and I'm going to see if I can get that seashell pattern that I was talking about. So I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try this out forever. I'm back from getting my nails done. I'm obsessed with them. Look at that seashell aesthetic. Oh my gosh. This is Maui's dinner. Maui is a ball python, so I don't think I need to tell you what's in here, but don't worry, I'm not showing that on camera. I have a lovely friend of mine watching the house while we're gone, and she isn't familiar with snakes, so I wanted to make sure I fed him before we left, and he only eats once every 2 weeks, so he'll be good to go. She'll just have to check on his water. I went back to Kohl's and grabbed earrings that my mom regretted not getting because she really liked them. And yeah, now I'm heading home to hopefully finish packing. Okay, I'm officially running out of time now because I decided to go line dancing last night instead of finish packing. So we leave at 4 a.m. and I still have to get a lot of stuff done today, including stuff for my job. So I thought I was planning ahead. I thought I was being super organized with everything. My desire to stay out until 2 a.m. dancing got the better of me. To be honest, I don't have time to try these on. So I'm gonna pack all of them. Look how cute this nightgown is. It seriously looks like something from a different time period. And then I also ordered this one. That kind of just looks like an oversized t-shirt. It's kind of like grandma core, but I dig it. I literally started this whole process a month ago and I'm still not prepared. Oh, do I need to start packing makeup, toiletries? I don't know anymore. I forgot I also found my other formal dress. It is navy blue. I'm stealing it from my mom. And I've worn it on a cruise before when I went to Europe. So I already know I love this dress and it's stunning, and I'm so excited that she's letting me borrow it. Here's my cute little swimsuit cover up. Oh my gosh, earlier when I mentioned that I haven't really packed for a big trip in the bus, it is a nightmare because I have to tear apart every bin to find the things I want to pack. I can barely walk through the center of my bus right now. I am not being dramatic. This is what packing has done to my bus. I think I'm gonna use this little butterfly bag for some makeup stuff. So I've got my favorite mascara, makeup brush. I have foundation that probably does not match my shade anymore because I bought it like a year ago. Is that expired? Here is the palette I use for literally everything. Backup mascaras. Okay, my brand new underliner, which I tried out for the first time yesterday and I already love it, so I'm definitely packing that. One more mascara because why not? I also do love a good lip gloss. This is the entirety of what I'm bringing for makeup. I'm realizing just how extensive my hair care things are. Anyway, here's the bonnet I've been sleeping in every night. I think I'm gonna put my skincare in here and my curl cream in here. I am gonna bring my Way leave-in conditioner, the shampoo. Here's my homemade skincare. And it was in the fridge, so I'm trying to figure out how to get this into this. It looks like a little dessert. I kind of also want to pack one of these goat milk soaps. This one smells more tropical. All right, I'm putting these perfumes and skincare in a Ziploc as well. I've just had way too many things leak while traveling. My friend and I were actually just making a joke that the last time we got on a plane, we had to jump off it. Go check out my skydiving video. I'm also just gonna go ahead and pack my waterproof phone case now. Okay, and now it's time to just pack a few hair things. Scrunchie. This is a little headscarf that would match that skirt I brought. I'm gonna bring one of my seashell hair clips. Here's another hair clip. I think 4 hair ties will be good. I've got a bunch of these little hair charms that you can like weave through braids. I don't know how to use them, but they're really cute and I'm gonna bring them and see if I can figure it out. And there we go. All right, one of the last things I've got to pack is my dad's new GoPro, which I will be using for some really cool action shots. I'm just gonna see if I can tuck this right in here. Say hi, Daddy-o.
Hello?
Are you packed yet?
No.
Have you started packing yet?
No. But most of my clothes are clean.
That's a good start. All right, here's my suitcase. It is 41.6 pounds, so we're good to go on the plane. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna miss you. We're leaving at 4 a.m., so that's about 10 hours from now. I actually finished packing a lot earlier than I thought I would. I did it pretty quickly. We've got so many fun Caribbean adventures coming up, and I plan on making detailed videos about all of them, so please subscribe to follow along, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.